This message brought to you in part by Cree Fifi on Facebook. Thank you for sharing, Cree. That's fine.
Samedi matin, c'est moi qui cuis. Et ce matin, sur ma table, les fameux petits verres avec firme sont de retour. Et pas facile à attraper. Voilà. C'est bizarre. Il y a que 3 jours auparavant, il n'y avait rien dans la pluie. Mais là, là encore. Et puis là, voilà, c'est le retour. Pas une neige, c'est compliqué. En tout cas, ils sont bien là. J'ai tout. Avec un petit verre. Ouais, c'est étrange. Là, vous arrivez à voir le petit filament là. Regardez. Vous avez vu? Étrange, étrange, étrange.
What are these things you found in the rain? What are these things? What in the world is falling in the rain? These little worms, she described them as. So I'm going to share a story here again. Hopefully it doesn't get taken down. But these are real accounts from people I know. One was a friend, still is, who bugged out to the woods in Oregon, close to the Canadian border, so that he could get away from chemtrails and Wi-Fi. He was a radar technician who was sensitive to EMF, and he was proud that he found a place where there was no chemtrails. And then one day, he sent me a message, and he said, I can no longer invite you and your son to a place where there are no chemtrails. They were spraying today. Low-flying jets came out and sprayed. 3 days later, isolated in the woods, bugged out, he catches what he can only describe as corona. All the symptoms. He calls into the hospital and they're saying they're not taking any flu-like symptoms. But it wasn't flu-like. He fought for his life. He survived. He wasn't sure if he would. And at the same time, in the same county, 3 other people came down with it that were also isolated and bugged out. I have since heard reports from a friend who has a farm in Vermont of people getting sick after the planes come out. So even though we've seen a very strong relationship between those who have gotten the flu vaccine and COVID, or those who are around those that have gotten the flu vaccine and COVID, it is not the only connection to COVID that we are seeing. Look up, speak up, wake up.